Okay, for your other problem, you're going to be finding period, frequency, and amplitude. You'll notice that time is now on the x-axis. So if time is on the x-axis, then the distance for one complete wave is now the period. So instead of this being wavelength, it's going to be period. We go from about 1.5 seconds to about 4.72 seconds. We just subtract those two numbers, and that will tell us how much time one wave takes. That's our period. To get the frequency, we remember that period and frequency are reciprocals, so whatever answer you get for period, just take the inverse of that, and that will give you your frequency in hertz. Okay, to get the amplitude, we do it the same way we did it on the other problem. We want to establish our center point. Okay, so to establish our center point, we look at the highest point of our graph, which is around 24. We want the lowest point of our graph, which is around 3 centimeters. We add the two together and divide by 2. That will get us our average. So that is about 13.5. So I draw in my line around 13.5. And then I want to know how high or low do I go from that middle line. So I go from 13.5 up to 24, or from 13.5 down to 3. Okay, so that would be 10.5 either way you slice it. Again, you can leave it in centimeters when you enter your answers. I hope these explanations were clear, and I hope you don't have any problem finding period, frequency, amplitude, or wavelength in the previous problem.